Hello, family. How are you today? I thought I'd film a segment of what's for lunch. It's very, very simple, but it's lunch. And I thought of the Eddie Murphy Raw when he was telling his mom he want McDonald's. Well, we don't do that here. We do not eat McDonald's. We'll eat some Wendy's every now and then, but my baby loves some homemade hamburgers. So we're gonna have cheeseburgers. Yesterday I sampled these Angus beef patties at Sam's Club. It's 18 patties for $23 and change. So I was like, okay, let me try. And they were good. They were actually very tasty. I don't know if she was seasoning them or not, but they were tasty. They remained thick. They remained big. They didn't shrink into disappearance. But so I bought those yesterday because he had been asking me about homemade burgers, and when we were out of town, that's all he ordered, either burgers or chicken sandwich or chicken tenders. So I said, let me go ahead and just do this for him today. And then we're going to have potato salad. I've been craving some potato salad. So we had this restaurant here in Jacksonville called Mr. K's. And rest in peace, Mr. K's, but they are no longer open. They had the best potato salad ever. So I've been trying to doctor it up, recreate that recipe. And when you really look at it, this 5 pounds of potato salad was $5.76 at Sam's. And I can, pull out a little bit, experiment, try to get that Mr. K flavor. And truth be told, this is the cheaper than cutting up 5 potatoes and all the labor intensity and buying all the ingredients. This is the way to go. Just doctor it to your liking. I also saw this dill pickle chopped salad kit, and I say I want to try it. So we're just going to have our cheeseburgers, potato salad, and a little chopped salad on the side. And of course, there's the cheese. There's the buns from Sam's, 20, they were $2 or $3 or whatever. And it's 16 of them. So, we're going to get this all going, and I'll be back to show you the finished results. If I can crack the doctoring potato salad code, I'll also share that with you. And maybe I like a sweet, red looking, reddish orange, smoky potato salad. So this is a good start, and we're going to see if I can crack that code. All right, and I'm also going to chop up a red onion to put on the burgers. See you soon. Okay, I have sliced a piece of red onion, put it in there to cook with the with the hamburger and buns. I flip the hamburgers twice. The second flip, I drop the cheese on so that it can start melting. I'm also toasting up the buns in the same pan to soak up some of that good juice. And this is not a healthy meal. Let's get that clear. This is a Saturday lunch, fun lunch. So stay tuned for the rest. So guess what? I'm hungry, but I ixnayed on the salad. It's over. I'm ready to eat now. I did get the potato salad a little more, judged up. It's still not Mr. K's. I got to find one of his kids and get the recipe because that's my favorite. But what I did was I added a little bit of this juice from this pickle. That's what I do to my deviled eggs too, and they're amazing. I added some smoky paprika and some sriracha sauce to give it that color, give it a little heat, give it a little flavor, extra flavor, and give it a little more sweet. And this is what it started out looking like. This is the doctored version. And again, this is way cheaper, way less labor intensive. Want it quick and hit the easy button and get it done. So I'm going to enjoy this. And I did my burger. I did some grilled onions, some regular sliced onions, some of these salt and vinegar Snackum pickles, and some mayo and the cheese, the Kobe Jack cheese on my burger. My son is already eating. I didn't even doctor up his potato salad. He don't care either way. He was ready to go with his 2 hamburgers and no pickles. But I hope you enjoyed this segment. I hope you prefer home hamburgers over the stuff in the street, because there's nothing like it. Now, maybe a regular restaurant burger, compares to what you can do at home, but I love my homemade hamburgers. And if you like my content, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what you prefer as a hamburger, the homemade or the restaurant. Ugh. And ring that bell for all my future content. I do focus on gardening, but I'm just trying to get content out here, get that 1,000 subscribers, get that 1,000 watch hours, and I do it all, so why not show it all? Have a great Saturday and enjoy your day.